Work the way you want to, all without ever leaving Procore. If we don't have a tool, chances are there's an app or integration for it on our marketplace. You can navigate directly to the marketplace by clicking on the plug icon, or by visiting marketplace.procore.com. Procore's marketplace is your one-stop shop to find products and solutions that extend your company's technology investment. Discover over 250 integrations and apps that you will love working with. If you're not sure what you need, you can browse functional categories to explore integration, such as analytics and embed. And find Procore certified consultants who provide a range of services, including tech stack optimization, process improvement, change management, and more. Interested in building your own custom integration? Procore's open APIs and comprehensive documentation empower you to build apps on top of the Procore platform. You can quickly locate your favorite app by simply typing the name in the search field. Procore's search functionality generates fast and relevant results, combing through multiple fields and narrowing down your choices until you find the right app. The listing overview is where you can learn more about the integration. In this example, you can click on the screenshots to see how MultiVista will look within your Procore account. You can continue to learn about the integration features and how it will interact with your data and internal systems. You can understand what Procore tools you'll need and any required accounts from the third-party software. Helpful resources are also available, so you can start managing projects at scale, save time, and modernize communication. Lastly, details about the developer is presented, so you can trust the company who developed the app. Once you've reviewed the listing information and decided it's the right solution for you, company admins can directly install the app to your Procore account. With a click, you're taken straight to your app management page in Procore, where you can complete installation and begin setting up the app. It's easy to configure your app. First, you'll decide which projects you want the app to be presented on. Create a unique title so you can reference your different views. You just installed MultiVista, and it's completely set up. Now, when you view one of your projects, you can find the MultiVista app and can access your MultiVista information in Procore.com. While growing complexities of construction make it challenging to keep up with change, Procore's marketplace is here to help teams innovate, managing projects at scale, modernizing communication, and promoting industry collaboration.